So I've been camping around Australia and I see a lot of people building fires the backwards way, and including people from the States. Everybody likes to pile their fires like traditional Boy Scouts, and that's not the way to do it, because heat, first of all, will dissipate in all directions. So I'm going to show you the best structure, how a self-feeding fire works that requires no maintenance. This is a self-feeding fire, and as you can see, I've positioned all the big logs on the bottom and the kindling on top. Now this is very counterintuitive to what people might think, because kindling, you would think, starts from the bottom because heat will rise. Well, actually heat will dissipate in all directions. The kindle will light the smaller logs on the bottom, and then will continue to light all the bigger logs. Now you don't have to move anything around. This is just a self-feeding fire that requires little maintenance and will burn 3 times longer than your traditional TP method. Silly. Now what you want to start off with is really good hard wood. This is Australian eucalyptus, and which is a very hard wood, and if you're in the States you would choose an oak, hickory, or pecan. All work really well, and that's all you need. It's just, you want to layer your woods in all different directions on each layer, including the top layer. So we have our kindling sticks here on the top, our dry grass here on the bottom, and that's it. Let's have a go, and I want this fire to last 5 hours. Make sure your lighter works. And that's it. And this is the best way to light your fires, for cooking, for just normal basic campfire starting. And I like this method because you don't have to touch the wood. You don't have to be involved in messing around with the wood, and it'll last twice as long. So this is great.